This is Venus, which might surprise you to hear because it doesn't look like that gray-blue ball you probably picture when you think of Earth's sister planet. And that's because this is actually showing the surface of Venus, which is a very difficult thing to study. Venus is kinda nasty. That super thick carbon dioxide atmosphere that gives it its pretty hazy appearance makes the surface pretty unbearable. The surface temperatures get up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit or 475 Celsius, which is hot enough to melt lead. And that giant atmosphere means the pressures are really high, about 90 times higher than they are when you stand on the surface of Earth, which would be like being a kilometer under the ocean all the time. Under those extreme temperatures and pressures, the atmosphere itself is corrosive, so it's just not a fun place to hang out. And that's true even if you're not a sensitive little human. The few spacecraft that have actually landed on the surface of Venus have lasted at most a couple of hours. Most of the successful landings came from the Soviet Union, with their Venera program running from the mid-60s to the mid-80s. And it's from these landers that we got the only photos we have from the surface of Venus. And yeah, it doesn't look super great. So because we can't really explore the surface given how dangerous it is, most of the data we have about Venus comes from orbit. This map came from the Magellan spacecraft in the 90s, which used radar to penetrate those thick clouds and actually capture some of the surface details. And while this map is pretty detailed and impressive, there is still a lot we don't know about Venus because we just can't hang out there. Because of its extreme conditions, we have to study it from orbit or send down missions that we know just won't last very long. It's a tricky place.